Good morning and happy day 21. This is probably the one and only time you're gonna see my face today because this is as real as it gets. And we're gonna do the advent calendar right back there. But as you can see, I have my packing materials out because I really need to get the rest of my bedroom ready for Chris because they're gonna be moving in next week. And I just need to get some more stuff packed and done. And I might even end up going to my storage unit today to bring some boxes over there. I have some Oreo Truffles to make today, so you guys will see another recipe later today. Or some work-related things I need to get done. Oh, excuse me. So let's get started. All right, we are on day 21. 5 days till Christmas, you guys. Well, technically, we celebrate on Christmas Eve, but oh, we have a little chocolate, and it's an elf. He's so cute. I keep putting the chocolates in this little cup because I don't know. I'm kind of over it, but I love it. I love my advent calendar still. And then let's do day 21. Looks like it's gonna be a perfume. Let's see, Santa Carmen. I don't think I've ever tried this one, but I'm gonna try it out today and let you guys know. What I was thinking, you guys? I've been smelling each of the perfumes and I absolutely love it. I love that calendar, but I was thinking I might put it in end of Vlogmas, like an end of Vlogmas giveaway for you guys. And just for my subscribers that no one else will know about it, it'll just be in the very last Vlogmas and I'll just draw a winner from the giveaway. So I won't even put it as like the title, so no one can search for it, the giveaway. And then I'll just send it off to one of my amazing subscribers that have been watching Vlogmas every single day. I think I'm gonna do that because I haven't used any of the products. I've taken them out and smelled them, but not used them. So tell me what you think down below. So I've already done one batch of my Oreo truffle mix and I totally forgot to film for you guys, but I have filmed this in the past. So for your Oreo truffles, you need a pack of Oreo cookies, some kind of food processor or a blender, something to crush up your cookies, and 2 different bowls, and 1 packet of cream cheese, which I've already softened. So once you have crushed up all your cookies and you have it in a crumb form like this, you're going to combine the cream cheese and almost about 3 cups of the crushed Oreo cookies. It'll just leave just a little bit remaining if you crush the whole packet. And all you do is simply mix the cream cheese and the crumbs, all of it together, by the way. You don't just it's the cream and the cookie. Everything goes in here. As you can see, I have the cookies in there. And you just combine the cream cheese and the cookie crumbs all together. And then you are gonna wanna refrigerate the dough, which I have right here, for a little while because you're gonna be making that into balls before you dip it, and you want it to be nice and firm before you can roll it out. Peppermint bark Oreo truffles, I use the peppermint bark Oreos, same steps as the other, but then I just sprinkle a little bit of crushed peppermint on the tops of these ones. And these are the regular Oreo truffles. Can I just tell you guys that I'm so proud of myself. I worked so hard today to get everything ready for the boys, and I am finally done. I'm finally done, except for selling a few more things. So I have some of my shoes up here. As you can see, a few of the things that were in the other closet that is now going to be Chris's are up here. And I actually decluttered a ton of my shoes as well. I have some like flip-flops down here. And I reorganized my shoes over here too. And since I did, so yeah, like all nude shoes, and I'm going to have something happening in the new year, which will require me to wear nice shoes again like this. I have all my nude pumps and nude flats that are appropriate for that. And then I have all my black heels and then some more down there, and then boots down there. And in this cabinet, it's completely cleaned out for Chris. Victory. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I saw my table. And so this area has kind of been taken over. This is me already starting to box up a little bit of Christmas because we have family coming over Christmas Day to open presents, and I needed space on the countertops here to like put some breakfasty foods and stuff. And I wanted all the boxes out of this area. So I have to bring these boxes in the middle here to the storage units, and then including those, all that's the storage unit. And then this little teeny corner right here are items that are on offer up right now. And I actually have someone coming to pick up that table tomorrow. Okay guys, so that is it for tonight. I'm really sorry today was kind of boring, except for the Oreo Truffles. Those were Christmassy. But otherwise, I honestly was just no makeup, working hard all day today to get things done. And oh, I listed a bunch of my really cute shoes on Poshmark. So if you don't know what Poshmark is, it's like an app and a website where you can purchase people's items that they're selling, kind of like eBay in a way. So I'll make sure to leave that down below if you're curious, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.